Have you ever been in a city where the air felt so thick it felt like you couldn't breathe? Or the smog was so thick it covered the blue sky? Have you ever wondered why electricity bills cost so much every month and how your energy consumption and carbon footprint is affecting the earth and our environment? Well, today we struggle with an upcoming energy shortage. Coal, oil, and natural gases aren't renewable, and the renewable resources that we have available to us at this point aren't sustainable for the amount of energy that we consume currently. This leads us to the need for a new energy source that is sustainable and cost efficient. In regards to environmental stability and energy stability, D. Hawk states that it is far too late and things are far too bad for pessimism. We need a solution to this issue immediately. This is where nuclear energy comes in. Nuclear energy is actually safer than one might believe, and there is a plethora of resources that are available to us to use. In addition, nuclear energy is actually quite cost efficient and is actually less expensive than coal, oil, and natural gas. While nuclear energy has caused some memorable and unfortunate events in history, it is actually quite safe. When comparing how many deaths occur while producing 1 terawatt per hour, according to Suniva Rose in a study conducted in 2013, 161 people died when producing 1 terawatt per hour of coal, 36 people die when producing 1 terawatt per hour of oil, and only 0.04 people die while producing 1 terawatt per hour of nuclear energy. To put this into perspective for you, this means that around 10,000 people die per year while producing coal. So, how exactly does nuclear energy work? Nuclear energy is created when either fission or fusion occurs. Currently, only fission is being used right now, as it is safer and easier to manage. Fission occurs when the nucleus is split and a byproduct as well as heat and light are produced. This heat is used to create steam, which turns turbines in an engine, which then allows the energy to be used for consumption. While the reaction occurs, the radioactive byproduct that is produced is left over and is considered to not be usable. But according to a video published by What the Why in 2015, it is actually possible to renew and reuse the remaining waste product from the reaction. This means that nuclear energy has the possibility to be renewed and continually renewed, instead of being stored in mountains, deep underground, or in the oceans. This just increases the sustainability of nuclear energy and lessens the impact on our environment. So, how much does nuclear energy cost? Well, according to a study performed by Zachary Evan Davis in 2015, on average, the cost of nuclear energy per kilowatt hour is 5 to 8.2 cents, while black coal is 8.5 cents per kilowatt hour. Now, to put this into perspective for you, I wanted to go over how much a terawatt hour of energy is anyways. So that is quite a lot. It can light 1 million homes per year, and while this seems like quite a lot, it is actually used up really quickly in regards to our population and how often that's being used. The importance of converting our main energy source from coal, oil, and natural gas to nuclear energy is currently understated. Not only will converting our main energy source over to nuclear power benefit our environment, but it will also benefit you as consumers as well, with lowered costs and a healthier environment for yourself and for future generations. Thank you.